Scooter John here from Scooters in New Canaan. We're going to be taking apart a bike today. I'm just getting the cameras all set up. Give me a second. I'll have all the cameras rolling. All right, we're good. Got the cameras going. All right, so we got a Chinese version scooter here. It's a customer's bike that we tried to keep alive. We brought it back to life 4 times. This time it looks like the electrical system's fried. It's done. So I'm going to strip her down for parts, take the plastic off. You can see it's held by duct tape. And again, the customer named this bike, really liked this bike. He named it Betsy. So we're going to take apart Betsy today. And we're not going to be easy. We're going to strip this stuff down. Look at this. Seat's already off. Done. Seat's done. We're going to start pulling everything apart. If we could keep any bolts or anything that we could use. Here's another piece. Slip right out. Whew. Doesn't even have a on and off key. He's got a toggle switch. Yeah, this thing's ready to go to hell. It's time to rip apart. So there we go. We don't have to worry about the plastic anymore. Yeah, rip it right off. See? We don't need the signal lights either, but there's female-male plugs. You pull them right apart. We got Mark here today helping out. So you'll see him in the background a little bit. You might hear from him. Let me take this apart. Maybe we could save the light. Yeah, we'll take the battery out. Matt. Yeah, we'll pop the light out if you feel like doing it. We're gonna have a lot of parts here anyhow. See, that's the best thing when it's a trashed bike. We'll have to siphon the gas out. But I thought you guys would enjoy the plastic coming off one of these things. Look, you like the headlight, guys? Check the headlight out. Nice flashlight, huh? Yeah, we'll save the customer's flashlight. Duct tape. Totally duct tape. Look at this. It's got more duct tape than plastic. Can't even get the duct tape off. All right, that's done. We'll save the flashlight for the customer. We'll save his battery. We'll give him some parts back, make him happy. Here's the bolt that cut me. Pretty sharp. What else can I rip off and make easy? Yeah, we'll rip it off. What else is holding this thing down? All right, 1 or 2 bolts here. There we go, buddy. You're gone. Sorry, Betsy, but it's time. All right, 1 bolt holding that. We'll take that right off. We'll take these off. Save the coil. Yeah, coil's got to be saved. Today is March 26th, 2019, right? 26th today or 27th? I think today's 27th. Yeah. And it's only like 40 degrees, 44. It's kind of chilly. We got the doors open, but it's chilly. Get a little air going in here. I do wish it was warmer. Where do you want me to put these lights? Just keep them on the side of there. Just put them on the side for now. Okay. Yeah, the plastic will just toss. Yeah, because I got to put the carburetor in a box. You want to get rid of the seat now? You can put that in the back of the, yeah. Yeah, that's gone, you know. Yeah, that I want to go through just to see what he needs, and then that flap? The flap's history. Okay. I'm going the easy way here. I'm not taking bolts and... All right. Tail light done. Okay. We'll save the tire. We'll save the muffler. Whew, it is a little chilly, boy. All right, let's see. Anything else? Carb I want to save. CDI I want to keep. All right, let's see if we get this off. So if you guys ever got mad at your bikes and you want to rip it apart, here you go. This is what it looks like when you start stripping down. Another computer CDI. We got a blue CDI. It looks like a high performance one. All right, so ignition relay. We'll get the battery out. We'll take this. Well, that's not good. Wires just come right apart. This bike was really hurting.
What about this tail light? You want this?
Nah. Nah, just gotta. You have a Phillips? Did you have a tool here?
Yeah, Phillips. You want a Phillips?
Yeah, where is it?
Right there in the bottom. What about this license plate?
Nope, done.
That looks like it's riveted on. Though.
Nah, most of it will break apart. His battery's good, so I want to save his battery.
Okay, where do you want to put it?
Well, not with the old ones, then we're going to mix it up. Here, saved.
Okay.
So that's good. What else we got? I think we should strip the handlebars. All this has got to go.
What about this starter? You want to take this off?
That is history.
Really? Even this?
You see how cracked it is?
No, I meant this is lever.
The lever. Yeah, maybe we could keep the lever for somebody else.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
All right, well, that's possible. We'll get a bolt. Let me see what. Take that bolt right off.
What about the mirrors? You want to take that?
Nah, to be honest with you, they look like hell. They look pretty beat up, too.
Yeah, rusty.
Yeah, see, nothing's even holding anymore. All right, why don't we jack it up a little bit? Yeah, lights on. Cameras are filming. We're recording. That's brand new. I just ordered it for him a year ago. We'll save that. The carburetor I want. The airbox is history. Let's see, what is that? A 10-8.
What about the quad? What's going on with that?
I'm waiting for parts. Matter of fact, I'm going to call the customer today.
Yeah.
Bolt's so rusted, it almost feels like it's going to snap.
You want this luggage rack done?
No, history.
Really?
Yeah, there's nothing you can do with it.
Wow. Good shape, though.
No, history.
How is this? Is this
Because it'll never fit on somebody else's bike.
How do I get this?
But hang on, I'm going to strip down the bolts off of it.
Yeah.
Make it easier.
Now, what about the exhaust? Everybody's looking for mufflers, no?
I might keep the muffler.
Yeah. That worked out with John.
So strip that down too. Yeah, the Kickstarter.
What is this, the horn?
The lever. No, that's a rectifier, ignition rectifier.
Oh.
Yeah, you think this is coming off easy?
Wow. You have any spray?
Not worth it.
No.
Give me a hammer behind you. Is there a little one? That one right there. That's good. Maybe we'll whack.
That's the one we found, remember?
Whack it off a little. not loosening up a little here.
Wait, huh?
No, it's just got to be opened up.
Oh, okay.
That's it, and then it'll come off. Where the bolt?
Wait, really, here's a bird.
That's what I was worried about too. That's going to be on the film.
Yeah.
Wow.
Jeez.
Oh, it's rusted.
Yeah. Bike was kept outside.
Way too
What
long.
happens when you keep a bike outside?
That's right. You tell him, Mark.
Now,
Yeah, that's why I said some stuff is not worth saving. But if anybody's looking for a Kickstarter lever, you can only open it up so far.
what about a gas cap? Don't you? People looking for gas caps?
Wow. Do you need that screwdriver for anything?
You want the gas cap?
Yeah. Be careful, there's gas in there. Yeah, it might not be worth saving it.
Yeah, no. Jeez.
I even broke the screwdriver. I can't get over that one.
No.
Yeah, it's just,
Left it on, right?
wow, it took a chunk out of a screwdriver. All right, well, we're not saving it. I don't really care. It's not worth it.
Yeah.
It's not worth the time, the hassle.
Okay, next.
All right, what else we got? You know,
What about the instrument panel?
shot. Water's holding inside of it. Look,
Oh, really?
it's all wet inside.
Okay.
The handlebars aren't worth it.
No, for your concept.
No.
Okay.
Don't even want that because it would be all digital.
Yeah, that's true.
This is analog.
Yeah.
So, I think,
What about the nitro switch here?
yeah, I don't think you need the switch either. We'll have to get the gas out in a few minutes. Thank you. We're recording.
This is live.
This is live, buddy. All right. You know, we're going to take the back tire off.
Okay. That's a good
You got the,
Oh, that's the one you.
yeah, put on the rim.
Yeah.
Where's that Phillips screwdriver? Right here?
Oh, yeah.
Let's get this off.
Good day for soup, right?
Yeah, I don't know about that. Soup.
Escargot and beans? No?
Nah. Look at this. Look how stripped that is.
Yeah.
I do want to save this carb, though.
Well, you know what you need.
All right. No way. Holy cow. That's not working. I keep having my back towards the cameras now.
Want to lift this up a little more? You're bending.
Well, it's okay, because this is a nice
it's a
level.
good height there? Okay. I might get something to eat. You want anything?
Not yet, dude. In a little bit. It's only 5 of 12.
Okay.
It's only 5 of 12. Relax. Holy cow. Dude, chill. Don't go by the clock.
I
Go
felt
by your
something.
stomach.
I felt something, yeah.
Gotta go by your stomach, not the damn clock. All right, so,
Is this unplugged right here?
no, it's right here.
Okay.
That's the choke. There you go. I just have to take, whoa, gas spilling, great. Let me get some wrenches. What is that, 10 millimeter? 13, what is that? That's holding the throttle cable in. How much gas is leaking out? Throw a rag on it. It's gonna smell up in gas in here. We're gonna get fumes and get high.
Oh, right here, okay.
Yeah, so you got your 13 here. Loosen it up. Might put some music in this video.
Too quiet?
Yeah, well, I'm trying to do all the
People fall
talking.
asleep.
Well, they'll enjoy it because
Quiet, yeah.
it's silly fun.
Yeah.
And take off the fuel line. Mother.
Might have to cut it, right?
Maybe. I think this bike has had it. Like, really had it.
What year is this thing?
I don't know if we could even find a year on it.
What is it anyway?
Some Chinese.
Oh, okay.
Hey, look, I made Betsy come alive a lot of times, so.
Oh, there you
Vacuum line.
go. Well, what about these? Are these,
No. No, don't need that valve.
Yeah.
That's the vacuum
the
valve
tank.
for the
Want the
gas.
tank?
Nope, definitely don't want the
Okay.
tank. Good metal.
What's coming?
I don't know, it sounds like somebody's riding, but it sounds like, looks like UPS. Alright, so that's UPS. And let's see what we got here.
We should get this out of here, huh?
Yeah, let me unbolt it. Hold on. Maybe we'll use the power drill. Use the power tools. Now this is a fun bike to take apart. Not a real good bike that you have to be gentle. Let's see what we got here. Are you kidding me? What the heck?
Is that John? No, he was through here already, right? Yeah.
No, John should be here at 7 in the morning. So we got that done.
You don't want this for the concept?
No.
Okay.
Why would that go on a
I don't
concept?
know.
Think it
Tricked out.
through. Think it through. Why would that go on a concept?
Okay. You don't want it. Okay.
That's history, brother.
We'll try it in here.
Yeah, well, you don't need it, you can pull it. It's just a female male plug.
No, I know, but do you need anything in here?
Nope. That's history. The only thing we're saving is the carb. Yeah, it has to go, dude. I hope you guys are enjoying this wreck fun. At least it's a nice sunny day. All right, I'll have to take out some power tools now. Oh, everything's wrecked. I hope you guys can really see. Hope my back's not in the camera way. You can see this thing coming apart. Not explaining in detail, just a junk bike now. This was supposed to be a fun teardown. A fun teardown. More junk. We can leave that with the motor. I just want to.
Okay. What about the shock?
Nah.
No.
Nah. This thing's pretty.
The muffler though. We've been using.
I'm gonna look at the muffler now. We gotta see how in
A lot
good
of your
shape.
friends, go through mufflers.
Let's see what kind of shape this is in. Got to put some rubber gloves on. My hands are getting already cut up.
Sure.
Has already a piece of sliver go in.
What about the clutch?
You know, that's a good point. I actually might take the rollers.
Okay.
Well, they might be beat up. I'm going to take a look at them. While we're here, let's do it. What's the muffler look like to you?
In good shape.
Doesn't look too rusted out?
Yeah.
We'll siphon the gas out. So, hang on. Where's the other one? Gas smells good. Is that it? I think it's an 8mm. Taking the transmission apart. Let's see what we got here. Crack these a little bit. Seem pretty tight.
Any extension?
Got it. What was the other one? There we go. Holy cow. That was really on. Zip, zip, zip. Like my power tools. Oh,
No, it
she's
has
got,
to come
she's
off.
coming off, man. I don't care. Make sure there's no other bolts holding it.
What
Yes.
about some spray, no? Loosen it up? Yeah, right? Yeah.
No, it's not going to do it. It's
Okay.
frozen on.
Okay.
It's not worth it. We already broke a screwdriver for it.
Oh, okay.
All right, so that's history.
Wow.
See how everything's rusted in there?
Yeah.
It's in bad shape, dude. So I'll get some air tools to take this off. Belt doesn't look like in bad shape, but I'll look at it.
Looks like it's loose though, huh?
No, it looks pretty decent. Let's see here. Mark, you want to grab the yellow hose from the air tank and
Okay, let me see.
we're doing our filming, so can't be picking up phones right now. All right, let's see what we got. Time for the air hose and the air tools. We gotta get some of these new bikes out of here. I gotta put them in the showroom.
Yeah.
They're just in the way. Hold that.
Now, when can you move the stuff in there?
I'm open by this weekend.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just gotta get some of the stuff, paperwork done. History. Let's see what this belt looks like. Careful. Yeah, might not survive the belt. Hang on. Belt's not in bad shape. All right, let's see what these rollers look like.
Are they get oblong sometimes?
Well, as long as there's not a flat spot on them and they're rollers. Let me see something. You're in the sun.
They look like they're in good shape, huh? Oh, right there? Is that?
That's very little. All right, so we can hang on to these. I'll hang on to the sleeve. What a new stuff we needed, because I don't want to put used. I mean, these are emergency rollers. Wow, thank God I put the gloves on that one.
Yeah, sure.
That had a lot of crap in there. All right, so we don't need the air box or anything. Let's check out now the, we're going to need the air gun to get the muffler.
What size nut is this?
Want to do me a favor? Let's jack this up a little more, see if we can go a little higher. Yeah, the rest of the thing we're just going to toss for scrap metal. All right, that's it. Man, cut my finger again with that metal sleeve. All right, let's see if we can get this muffler off. No. I think the tools are harder to get off. All right.
Your hose?
I got it right here.
Oh, yeah.
Then I'll have to do 2 10 millimeters on the bottom. Yep. All right. Let's get a little extension. Hold on, maybe not. Oh, this one's hard to get to.
That little wrench, right?
Let's see. Wow, it's in a bad position. Get an extension. Let's see if we can reach this. Time to get the muffler off. Alrighty. Important? No, I don't recognize this number.
Wow, that's way up in there, huh?
Yeah, you can't almost get to it. Huh. Let's see if I can. I hope I don't have to do it with a swivel. Maybe. That's one. All right, so it's the other one now. All right. So John's got time for video games, but he doesn't have time to paint my new store?
Yeah.
I'll have to talk to him about that. Hold on. It's the one that the other one I just got to get off.
only two, right?
Yeah. Just in a bad angle here.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. We're almost there. Hold it. Drop down, pull out.
Well, that's a good shape.
Yeah, hopefully we could
I mean, considering, right?
survive.
Yeah.
Sand it down, paint it. We'll have a muffler if somebody needs something in an emergency.
Yeah.
We'll put it with the other one now. See the nice one we have over there?
Yeah.
All right, so the rest of it, we're just going to take the wheels off, and then we're going to throw it in the back of the truck and scrap metal.
Yeah.
That's it. Let's just take the back wheel off. Let's see what we need. All right, let's go figure out what this one is. This is scrap metal, scrap metal. Mark, I'm going to throw you a socket. See if it fits on the wheel. The other side, that nut. Does it fit?
Yeah, perfect.
Perfect?
Want to go to what's in the areas or what?
You getting hungry?
Yeah.
It's 12:10 now.
Well, I'm getting a little shaky and a little.
You look shaky. You got to stop with the,
Well,
sugar high.
Morning,
Yeah,
Just
sugar,
hold it.
sugar high. I love that thing. I love the sound. Air tools sound great. It's like you can play music with them.
Yeah.
I'll keep the nut. You never know when you need it. Look at that. Came right off. Oh, because we just put it on, what, a couple months ago?
Yeah.
No, maybe 5 months ago. Brakes are good. Don't need them. Order new ones all the time.
Brakes are good for Dan's bike? Or?
No. Can-Am, no way.
Yeah.
All right, so we just have the front tire, and we're done. I don't want the starter. I don't want anything. Like I said, we're going to drain the gas out of it. How in bad shape did this look? Well, we're going to drain it. I don't want it spilling at the other, when we drop it off at the scrap yard. Let's see, the toggle switch. It's almost history. All right, so the only thing we got to do is the front. And the rest is history.
Oh, that's it? Yeah.
Yeah, well, no, I can't see where anything else is going to be worth it. You know what would be good? The brake cable, the rear brake cable. Because this is pretty new.
Oh, you put that on for him last year?
Yeah. Well, maybe 2 years ago. Actually, yeah, it might still be good. That looks like it's still good. Yeah, we'll strip that down. Just got to see how it's in here. You never know who's going to need a brake cable, and it's somebody pulls up, doesn't want something too expensive, or we can sell a used part. Oh, wow. Grab the yellow.
Sure.
Hey, why don't you work on unscrewing that, and let me hit the front wheel so we can get this going. Because then we'll be pretty much done.
Yeah.
Hey, I got the front fender off. All right, power tools. Hey.
It's all spinning, you know?
Well, I'll show you how to do it. Watch your foot. Watch your foot. Not trying to trip you yet. In another hour, I'll trip you.
Some more length there?
I think we might have it. That's it. Gotta be careful on that table. Camera. Okay. All right. You know we're gonna have a tough time lifting this, right?
Into the truck? Yeah.
Well, there's no wheels. Got it? That should be off now.
Nice.
I don't need the spacers, just the rim and tire.
Yeah. Came in handy a few times.
Yep, that's a nice brand new tire. So now, you said you were having a tough time getting the brake cable off? All right, pull down a little bit.
I get back the truck right in here later.
Sure. Pull down a little.
Okay.
Thanks. Good job.
Want me to hold it? No, that won't do.
Nah, that won't do anything.
What about the center stand? Anything?
Nah, you don't. It's hooked up to the engine anyhow. It's more work than it's worth. So, Mark, you couldn't do that? Wow, Mark.
I'm hungry.
All right, we're almost out of here. Because basically, there's nothing left that I want except for siphoning, leaking the gas out. Ah,
Good?
well, that's good, but I don't know what's holding it.
Duct tape?
There might be duct tape here. Yeah, the whole bike is duct tape. Duct tape. I say duct tape, I say. If this doesn't come off, I'm done.
Yeah.
I could care less. I'm done.
Okay.
All right.
You heard
So
it, folks. He's done.
I'm done, guys. I hope you guys got a good laugh at this. This was pretty
Amazing.
fun, and yeah, I'll probably drop. You know what I will drop off is the caliber and maybe the hose, because it's the front one.
Yeah.
You know, I won't take the whole thing. I'll just take the caliber. You know, just 2 bolts there. All right, guys, we're pretty much done. I hope you enjoyed this show. Made you laugh. It's Scooter John. This is my vlogs. All right, guys, we'll get a ride in soon. I'll talk to you. Thanks for watching.
Over and out?
No over and out. There's no CB stuff. What's wrong with you?